Kenny and Chris. Go for it.
Go.
This is going to be interesting. Who will Kenny. And Chris is going to fall. That's the way. Just hold on to his back. He can't go anywhere. You said there was no rules.
No, I told them they could try and knock each other off.
Kenny's ahead. Chris is catching up. Sorry. Poor Chris. Kenny's kicking the crap out of him.
Hey, that's my leg.
Dream. Push him, Chris! Oh, it's gonna be a race to the top. It's so close.
I have nothing to go to. Good. Bam!
Oh.
Bam! Domination.
Only because you're just a teeny bit taller.
Ready? Yeah.